this is part 2 of driving this Ford Lightning, and this time we're gonna going out on the street, not just stopping in the yard. So let's do it. Yes, in the commonly now, so it's not really like a new thing. Yet again, we have to take it slow in the yard because obviously if we go faster, dust will kick up and get on the truck. So you don't want to go too fast. Also, that truck is from Hawaii. No, I'm just kidding. The text just says Hawaii. Look, there's a kitty cat. Kitty cat. There's a kitty over there. Is that the cat that you say roams the yard?
I don't know if that was the mom of those kitties that were here.
666. Terrifying.
The devil.
Let's go. There was something in the way, but it was just hallucinating. Okay. Last time we stopped here, but nope, we're driving all the way home. Sorry, just kidding. Nope. So when you're about to turn, you have to make sure no one is there.